Hello traders, this is Vicer, and this is my trade in Luck and Coffee. I made an options trade today. At approximately 8:50 Mountain Time, Benzinga reported in Squawk that Luck and Coffee price was moving up. We had this on our watch list earlier this week, but I had already taken it off. When I looked at the 5-minute chart, which is what you see here, I could see that price was moving up quickly. It moved away from VWAP, moved away from the 9 moving average. So I wanted to go and look at the options chain to see if I could determine what price was going to do. This is the options chain for November 15th, 2019 for Luck and Coffee. At the top here, you have calls. Over on this side, you have puts. At the time of the announcement, price was at $24, approximately. So given that, I wanted to see if there was more upside in the options. What I quickly noticed was on the open interest of the calls down here, there are 3,475 calls. This gave me a good sense that price would continue to move up and at least pressure the call sellers, meaning price should move up to approximately 35.50, stopping out the 35 naked call sellers. So that is a trade that I put on. I bought the 25 call. I bought it between 8.50 and 8.55. Yeah, I bought it at a high. The options here were trading in 5-cent increments. So my choice was try and get it for 5 cents, which I tried for a few minutes, couldn't get it. Had to move my order up to 10 cents, got filled. As you can see, price came down. Wasn't worried about this because I only had $10 of risk plus my commission into it. So I was willing to lose $10 on this trade plus my commission. At this point, right here on the price chart, you can see this is where Luck and Coffee made a move back up. This gave me confidence that the trade would work out and I would be able to sell my option for 25 at 4.40 cents as the price moved above $25. Here you can see as the trade progressed, price did move up to right here above $25. Down below in this chart, this is where you can see my option was sold. Bought the contract here for 10 cents, sold the contract here for 40 cents, 10-cent debit, 40-cent credit, 30-cent credit net total, 40 cents minus 10 cents. That's my 30 cents. Options have a leverage factor of 100, so that's $30 of profit minus my commissions and fees. As the trade progressed, right, I was in here from approximately, let's just say 8:55 my time to 11:25 my time, so that's about 2.5 hours. I looked at the options chain again. And the other thing that I noticed was over here on the puts at the 25 strike, there was 4,406 puts. As a put seller, you want your options to expire worthless. As a buyer, you want your options to expire in the money. Price was down here at $24 when I put my trade on. I saw the calls. This gave me confidence that the price would at least move up to $25.50, given the 3,475 contracts on the call side. I gained even more confidence when I looked at the number of puts. Go back to the chart. Price did move up throughout the rest of the day. However, I wasn't going to chase it. I was happy with my small trade. So I hope that gives all of you some rudimentary training in options and how I analyze the options chain. if I had more than one contract on, I still would have sold the one contract at 40 cents, as I mentioned to chat when I got into the trade. The other contract, or contracts if I had any, I would have let them ride, and I would have taken them off incrementally higher. And I would have also moved my contract stop up to something that would always be in profit. So that's my trade in luck and coffee today. Hope all of you have a good weekend. See you next week in chat. Bye.